Kicker's CXA line of amplifiers are powerful, reliable, and flexible. The CXA lineup consists of 6 different models. There's 4 monoblock or 1-channel amplifiers, which are meant to power subwoofers, ranging from 400 watts RMS all the way up to 1800 watts RMS. There is also 2 multi-channel amplifiers, a 360.4 for those door speakers, and also a 660.5. That's 4 channels for the door speakers, and then a 5th, more powerful channel to power a subwoofer. That's all the speakers in the car powered with 1 amplifier. Very, very convenient. All of Kicker's CXA amplifiers offer variable gain, crossover, and bass boost. But what really separates us from the competition is Fit Plus. Fail-safe integration technology, and that's these RCA inputs on the in-panel of all CXA line of amplifiers. They can accept 40 volts or 400 watts into each one of these channels. So even if you have a factory amplifier in that vehicle, you do not need a line output converter. Just use the Kicker KISL, the K-I-S-L speaker level to RCA adapter. Wire that into those factory speaker wires and then plug the RCA ends into any Kicker CXA line of amplifier, and you're done. Additionally, if you're running those high-level or speaker-level inputs into the CXA amplifier, you can utilize something called DC offset to control the amplifier and tell it when to turn on and off. So if you're using those speaker-level inputs, you do not need to run a 12-volt remote turn-on wire to the CXA amplifier, saving you a lot of time and hassle. Lastly, but certainly not least, we're utilizing differential inputs on those RCAs, giving you the best noise rejection possible. Clean signal out, even if you have a little bit of noise on the input. Very, very cool technology. Also included with Kicker CXA amplifiers are these vertical mounting feet. Now these are optional feet to mount to the amplifier, which will allow you to mount the amplifier standing up, just like you see it here on this table. I personally really like this in pickup trucks behind the rear seat. That's when you get to really utilize those vertical mounting feet. Now if you are utilizing any of Kicker's subwoofer amplifiers or the 660.5, you're going to want to pick up the optional CXA RC, which is the remote bass level controller. That allows you to adjust the amount of bass song to song on the fly from the driver's seat. Super convenient. For more information, check out your local Kicker dealer or go to kicker.com.